Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sari and we at Youth for Work have brought you information on LMRC CRA, which stands for Lucknow Metro Rail Corporation, which conducts exam for the post of Customer Relations Assistant CRA. To know the tips and tricks, please watch the entire video. You need to finish 3 sections of LMRC CRA online exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 140 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chance you have of acing this exam. Make mathematics and reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis on mugging up the formulas, but instead try understanding the concepts so you can modify the formulas according to the question and its requirement. Remember, negative marking is not a factor here. Therefore, try not to attempt questions that put you in doubt. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by practicing as many online tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests with the time limit attached to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam with the entire time limit. So, if you value the content of our video and find it relevant, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.